السلام عليكم، معكم رهام القصاب. هذا مشروعي مال التخرج في هندسة الإلكترونيات. Basically, it is the air pollution monitoring and warning system. This is my system and it is measuring particulate and gas, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and temperature and humidity. And this is a ESP8266. It is measuring all these sensors, and it will display them on the Arduino IoT cloud. As we can see here, these are the particulates and the carbon monoxide, the nitrogen dioxide, temperature, humidity. And then it will calculate the air quality index based on these. It will calculate the air quality index and give us an estimate of the level of pollution or the level of air quality based on that standard. And when it detects that the air quality has reached a high level, then it will send a warning message on your phone or on the app.